The intended goal of this video is to show you how to view data of individual students using the Student's Charm. It would be appropriate to use these pages when conferencing with students and/or parents. We'll look at assignments, the comment log, demographics, and quick lookup links for a student.
Once signed into PowerTeacher Pro, choose a class, choose the Student's Charm, and select a student. First, let's look at the Assignments link. This page shows all assignments and scores for the selected student. The assignment list can be sorted by category. Clicking on the assignment name will open the assignment score page. Navigate to another page for the same student by using the blue drop-down button. The comment log is a log of all comments that have been entered for a student. The legend at the top shows you that the paper icon in front of a comment indicates that it's a comment for an assignment. The A+ icon indicates that that comment is related to a final grade. Next, the demographics page. This page pulls from PowerSchool. It is not editable at this time. However, you can click on the Guardian email to email a guardian. Finally, let's look at the quick lookup traditional page. This is the same page that parents see in the parent portal. Drilling down on a little I in the brackets or the score will navigate to a page that shows all assignments and scores that were part of the calculation for the score on the quick lookup page.